Dear colleagues, after we've been forced to cancel 2 of our congresses of our famous series we were able to have in Prague for more than 20 years, it is my privilege as the president of the Eurasian Association of Orthodontists to invite you now to the 29th International Orthodontic Symposium in Prague, which will be held on November 14 to 15 this year. The motto is Forward to the Roots, and we will have again speakers who are at the cutting edge in their fields. Stefan Pailo will speak about planning and treatment with in-house aligners. And Sajin Jadwani will present complex cases from DMJ to perio. And Christina Tietmann and Lothar Schonbrot will cover interdisciplinary orthodontic and periodontic cases and concepts. And Sinan Hamadeh will share his concepts on the question to extract or not extract. And Heinz Zinsauer and Andre Walter will cover everything we need to know about distraction methods. So come to Prague again for having an exchange of knowledge, refresh your network, and relax with friends from 44 nations in Europe and in Asia. Now it's time to do so again, so don't hesitate to register at www.ios-prague.com now. Looking forward to seeing you there. Here.